What's up guys, today I'm back with another video here with Sky. He's really the idea man. He already gave me the glitch, he already gave me the swaying chair, and now he gave me a gun idea. So I'm seriously going to make a gun. Let's just make that ready. So how you do it, all you need is this, like blocks. It doesn't even have to be the specific block, any block. You can make it in gun shaped. You don't have to. You have to put a magnet right there. You have to have your block settings unanchored. You basically just do this. It's on. You place chair, it's going to fall, and now it's floating, and now you press the button again, and that happened. Pew! What? Whoa! That's actually cool. Build a boat's really cool. A lot of cool stuff. Hell yeah. So that was it for this video. If you guys liked it, smash that like button. And I will see you guys in the next one. Good flippin' bye. Oh, and by the way, pew! Okay, bye. Wait a second. Oh my god, no bye. What bye? Oh my god, I'm so tempted to try this. Oh my god. If this actually works, you guys may not know what I'm talking about. No! Erg! Yes! Oh my god, if this actually works. If it works, press button! Whoa! Yeah! Oh my god! Let's go! We went so far! Yeah. Okay, that's cool in my opinion. So yeah, now for real, this was it for this video. If you guys like this, smash that like button. I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye. And now some staring at a really ugly man. Now. No context. No comment. And no bully. Bye.